In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DHgate Payment Verification 2025, step by step. If your DHgate payment is stuck in verification, don't panic. The system often clears checks on its own. Start by giving it 24 to 48 hours and keep an eye on My Orders, then Order Status, to see if the hold lifts. Avoid retrying the payment over and over during this period because multiple attempts can trigger stricter security reviews and make the delay longer. While you wait, check your email, including your spam or junk folder. DHgate may send a request for ID verification, a card authorization confirmation, or a quick payment confirmation. Follow the instructions exactly as they're written, and make sure you reply using the same email address that's linked to your DHgate account so their system can match your response to the right order. Next, contact your bank or card issuer. Ask them to confirm that the transaction is authorized, that DHgate isn't being blocked, and that international and online payments are enabled on your card. If they can, have them whitelist DHgate so future attempts go through more smoothly. If verification still fails after that, retry the payment using a different method. Another debit or credit card can work, but PayPal tends to have the highest success rate on DHgate. Steer clear of virtual or prepaid cards, which are more likely to fail verification. When you retry, use the same device and the same internet connection. Consistency with your device and IP address helps avoid triggering new security flags. Make sure you're not on a VPN or proxy. Turn it off, use a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and log in from one location only. DHgate actively flags sudden IP changes, so keeping your connection steady really matters. Before you submit a payment again, double check that your billing details are an exact match. The name on the card, your billing address, and your zip or postal code must all align perfectly with what your bank has on file. Even small differences can trigger verification holds. If DHgate asks for documents, upload them only through the official DHgate verification page. Provide a government ID front side unless they request more, card proof with the middle digits covered, and any authorization form they provide. Clear, readable images speed up the review. If nothing moves after 48 hours, reach out to DHgate support. Go to the Help Center, choose Payment Issue, and submit a ticket with your order number, a screenshot of the error, and the payment method you used. They typically respond within 1 to 3 business days.